Yeah, bad time. We are making loco moco.
Let's see if I can't get us. It's a really good fishing day. Say hey, gang. Hey, gang.
Fire because of the onions, the fresh onions. So yeah, I'm making loco moco today because it's one of these staples that we eat at this house. Made a coffee. Noelle. Here it is, everybody. Oh.
What do we do with a spoon?
Eat up, buddy. There's a lot. Ow. pottied. Good job. High five. I only ever use this one now because it just smells really good and it does an amazing job. Yeah, it gets the grime out and everything. And my other one to show you. This is the pot. So yeah, there's really nothing much going on for today. Other than I'm just cleaning around. The whole spring cleaning, I'm gonna deep clean and all that stuff will be another time. It pretty much takes up like maybe a week for me. Kind of organize things together and pick and choose what we need, what we don't need. Noelle is asleep, but before I do chill out, I need to finish my bathroom. Yeah, it's very, very subtle right now because of the weather. So I just figured, well, why don't I get shit done at home so that we don't have to do it later on. And yeah, so I'm gonna continue what I'm doing and show you that, I guess. Okay, oh my god, the cats freaking destroyed this thing. Ugh. Like, dude, I'm gonna wring somebody's neck. My cats love to roll in dirt. Oh my god, what the hell? With me, so I'm just eating gum. It's obviously using something. Okay, now I did clean my bathtub last week. However, I don't have enough Mr. Clean scrubbers to, you know, get rid of the grime and all that stuff. And I'd have to go down to the store, which I'm not gonna do right now. Because for one, I don't have a car. Because Jacob wanted to go fishing, right? And also, it's supposed to be like thunderstorm right now. I didn't want to be anywhere in this freaking monsoon, whatever the fuck it is. Okay, well anyway, that's all for today's video. I will catch you guys later. Bye!